Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I will show you a wooden box. Yes, this is made of wood. Any colors can be finished. Also in this box we use the white and black color combination. It looks great, and the inner is the velvet. So also you can put your logo on the top, the logo. So this one is the black one, and the inner is different. This is velvet, and this one is the pure leather. Like this. So we can customize the logo on the inner top. Like this. To deboss the logo. So also we can make a paper box for the outer, like this. We can put the wooden box on the paper box. So the whole box will look like this. Also we have the logo on the top. Bye guys.